And we had thinned out all the lilacs behind here, all the big old stuff that wasn't really blooming, so hoping that all these little plants take off, and I'm sure they will. And take a look over here. I don't usually do a front yard, but this is our row of lilacs that we had moved and planted. And then I've got some hostas there. And the front are my tires, my cosmos have been blooming, and they're ready to bloom again. And those were pansies down there. So they're looking not too bad. This one must get more sun because it kind of went crazy. I've got bachelor buttons falling over, and lots of beautiful pansies.